Welcome home to 101 Alma Street, the fabulous Palo Alto condominiums. This highly sought after but rarely available condominium high-rise sits a few minutes walk from downtown Palo Alto, the heartbeat of Silicon Valley. The on-site staff and host of luxurious amenities are waiting to pamper you at your new home. One of the larger floor plans, this fabulous 3-bedroom, 3-bath condominium home with serene, park-like views, boasts a spacious, open floor plan with generous living, family, and dining areas. It has 2 master bedrooms, as well as a 3rd bedroom or office and a full hallway bathroom. With updated kitchen and baths, abundant in-unit storage, plus a large dedicated external storage area, you can move in and enjoy as is, or remodel to suit your own distinctive vision. This urban oasis comes with front desk reception, 24-hour security, on-site dry cleaning and package service, an opulent heated pool with outdoor lounges and recreation area, a large, well-appointed fitness center, conference rooms, a library, and even a playroom for the kids or grandkids. Located just moments from the vibrant core of Palo Alto, this home offers easy access to the Bay Area's leading technology and financial centers, ranging from San Francisco to San Jose. It's just a 2-minute stroll to Caltrain and a quick drive to both highways 101 and 280. And when it's time to relax, you're just moments from an abundance of outstanding dining options, world-class shopping, an endless array of parks and outdoor recreation, cultural activities, and of course, the renowned Stanford University. So please visit us for this rare opportunity to envision your life at 101 Alma Street. We're open this Saturday and Sunday, October 19th and 20th, from 1:30 to 4:30 in the afternoon.